Welcome back to Dr. Liu's VCE Biology. Today's topic is human change over time and scientific investigation, as presented in the 2018 VCE Biology exam. Let's learn together. If teachers, parents, or students notice mistakes in my explanations, please provide me with your feedback. Binocular vision, stereoscopic vision, eyes are set forward on the face with overlapping fields of view. This allows for excellent depth perception and judgment of distance, which is critical for moving accurately and rapidly through tree branches. Opposable thumbs, and sometimes toes, the thumb, and often the big toe, can touch the other digits on the same hand or foot. This is the basis for grasping, prehensile ability, and fine motor manipulation of objects like tools or food. Fully rotating shoulder joints, the shoulder structure, with a well-developed clavicle or collarbone, allows the arm to rotate freely. This flexibility is essential for climbing, reaching, and swinging through trees, brachiation, giving them a greater range of motion than most other mammals. Option A, Homo sapiens and Homo neanderthalensis are the only present-day hominin species. Incorrect. Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthals, is an extinct hominin species. The only present-day, extant, hominin species is Homo sapiens, modern humans. Option B, members of the Australopithecus genus are not classified as hominins. Incorrect. The genus Australopithecus, e.g., A. afarensis, A. africanus, is fully classified as part of the hominin tribe, Hominini. Hominins are defined as modern humans and our extinct ancestors that arose after the split from the chimpanzee lineage, and this group includes Australopithecus. Option C, Homo erectus was a bipedal primate. Correct. Homo erectus, which appeared about 2 million years ago, had body proportions and skeletal features, like the pelvis and femur, that were very similar to modern humans, indicating a commitment to obligate bipedalism, walking on two legs, that was efficient for long-distance travel. All members of the genus Homo are primates. Option D. All hominoids are also hominins. Incorrect. Hominoids are the superfamily, Hominoidea, that includes all apes, gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans. Hominins are a much smaller taxonomic tribe, Hominini, that only includes humans and their extinct ancestors, like Australopithecus, and all Homo species, since diverging from the chimpanzee line. Therefore, most hominoids, gibbons, gorillas, etc., are not hominins. The trends in hominin evolution are associated with the move to obligate bipedalism and increased intelligence. A. The older the fossil, the more central the position of the foramen magnum in the skull. Incorrect trend. The more recent the fossil, the more central the position of the foramen magnum, the hole at the base of the skull where the spinal cord enters. A central position is an adaptation for holding the head upright on a vertical spine, which is key to bipedalism. Older hominins had a more rearward position, like modern apes. B. The older the fossil, the smaller the brain case that surrounds the cerebral cortex. Correct trend. This is the trend of encephalization, increasing brain size. As hominins evolved toward modern humans, the brain case size increased significantly. Therefore, older fossils naturally have smaller brain cases. C. The more recent the fossil, the less bowl-shaped the pelvis. Incorrect trend. The more recent the fossil, leading to modern Homo sapiens, the more bowl-shaped the pelvis. This short, broad, and bowl-like shape provides support for bipedal walking by repositioning the gluteal muscles. Early hominins like Australopithecus had a pelvis that was already more bowl-shaped than that of an ape, but the trend continued to become more rounded and vertical in Homo species. D. The more recent the fossil, the larger the jawbones. Incorrect trend. The more recent the fossil, the smaller the jawbones, mandible, and teeth, and the flatter the face, less prognathism. This reduction is linked to changes in diet and the use of tools for processing food. Older hominins, especially the robust Paranthropus species, had massive jaws. The ability to walk on two legs, bipedalism, fundamentally changed how hominins interacted with their environment. Freeing the hands was crucial because it enabled tool use and manufacture. Hominins could carry, use, and ultimately manufacture complex stone tools. This is a primary driver of cultural and technological evolution in the Homo lineage. Carrying resources, they could carry food, water, or infants over long distances, which supported group foraging, sharing, and the development of a home base. Gesturing and communication. Some theories suggest the free use of hands for complex gestures may have preceded or complemented the development of verbal language, a cornerstone of culture. While other options represent valid advantages of bipedalism, the freeing of the hands is the direct link that facilitated the sophisticated behaviors categorized as cultural evolution, e.g., complex toolmaking, division of labor, and shelter construction. This multiple-choice section, 4 marks for 3.3% of the total score, is designed to evaluate your knowledge of the evolution of the human lineage. Specifically, you will be asked to, question 37, recall the distinctive characteristics that separate primates from other mammals. Question 38, name the species considered direct ancestors of modern humans. Question 39, describe the general evolutionary trends evident in the hominin fossil record. Question 40, explain the primary evolutionary benefits of bipedalism. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Liu's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Liu's VCE Biology channel.